Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer.
A machine that promises lightning-fast print speeds but comes with a few catches.
Let's jump right in.
Right out of the box, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro boasts a sleek and polished design, reminiscent of a high-end appliance rather than a typical 3D printer. Setting it up is a breeze, with a quick assembly process that promises to get you printing in under 10 minutes. However, our experience was slightly marred by missing pieces, which led to a delay in getting started. Once assembled, the printer's Core XY motion system and direct drive extruder promise impressive print speeds and precise motion control. The fully enclosed build volume is a nice touch, offering control over airflow and temperature, ideal for printing temperature-sensitive materials. However, where the Adventurer 5M Pro falls short is in its software experience. The included Flash Print 5 software lacks versatility, offering only a single profile per nozzle, and limiting customization options for users.
Additionally, the demo models lacked proper attribution, a disappointing oversight that should be addressed.
Despite these shortcomings, the Adventurer 5M Pro performs admirably in actual printing.
We tested a variety of models, from intricate designs to flexible materials like TPU. While the printer's speed and efficiency are undeniable, we did encounter some issues, such as filament jams and inconsistent auto-leveling. So, where does that leave us with the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro? While it certainly has its strengths, particularly in speed and design,
the subpar software experience and occasional printing issues hold it back from being a top contender in the market.
And there you have it, folks.
Our take on the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, this has been Product Critique.
Thanks for watching.